Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make Snow White on Dress to Impress. So I just did a custom makeup here, but you can use any makeup that you would like to. And for the hair, I'm going to combine these two hairs. But again, the hair is like optional. Like you can select whatever kind of style you want. I think I might like make it just like this. Then I am going to go to the dressing rooms for this to get the corset. Let me just open up this one. And then we're going to use blue. But like this kind of like subtle blue a little bit. Copy and paste that. And for like the rest, I'm going to color this one yellow. But like kind of like a softer yellow, and then I want the lace to be red, and then I'll do that red as well. Like I might do a lighter yellow, like this kind of yellow, as well as the skirt. I'm going to make it the same as the corset stitching on that one, like this. And then for the sleeves, I'm going to use, where is it? The one from Codes. This one. So select just sleeves. And then I'm going to color them blue. I should probably just save the color, but I forgot. We want it to be blue and red. Whoops. Like that maybe. I'm going to change the lace to be a little bit of a brighter red, like that. Like this maybe. And she has the kind of like, I don't know, like not cape, but like you can use this from VIP. But if you don't have it, that's fine. Just remove the cape. I'm going to color it white. And I think I'm going to color that blue. Again, I need to save these colors, but I'm just too lazy to do that. Like so. Then for the bow, I'm gonna use this one. And you can use type 2 or type 3. You can't really see type 3. So I'm just going to do maybe type 2 on this one. And if you would like to, you can also add like a bandana like this. What is it called? A headband? Why can I not think? I don't know why. Then obviously you're going to select an apple because she gets poisoned by one. And then for the shoes, I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to color it a yellow color like this. For the both, wait, why did I, well, you can color it red. Red's cuter honestly than the yellow, but it's totally up to you like what color you want your shoes to be. She originally wears yellow, but I think red looks cuter. I don't know, but that is how you can make Snow White on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.